What should you do if your tooth hurts? Let's say, let's have the different levels: mild, moderate, and severe. Let's start with the worst. Severe tooth pain, call us, Modern Family Dental Care, right away. That way we can figure out what's going on and give you different options. And that way we can decide and you can make a decision on what is the best treatment for you. That's number one, severe. Number two is moderate. It's like, oh, I can really feel it. It's not going away as much, but it's not severe. Better to, again, call the dental office, let us know what is going on. We can look at it. We can give you the options, the advantages, disadvantages. That way you can make a decision, the best way to treat it. That way to get rid of your pain before it gets too bad on a Saturday at a wedding. You're going away for a vacation. You're on vacation. We hear it all the time. We don't want that for it to happen, right? Mild. Oh man, it's a little sensitive. I eat candy, drink some cold water. Ooh, that is the best time to call us because now, actually, it's not the best time. The best time to call us is to make sure you call us for your routine visits. However, the second best time to call us when you first start feeling something. That way, we can catch it while it's a lot smaller in nature. And now we have more options that are going to be less invasive and less expensive and takes a lot less time. So there you have it. You start feeling kind of tooth hurts, pain, or what have you, call us, call the dental office to make sure you take care of it right away. Don't let it linger. It can get really, really bad. And I don't want for you to be one of those patients who are just such pain that it's just agonizing. All right, we see it. So give us a call. All right, we'll see you soon.